Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see top 100 history question and answers. First question, who founded the Maurya Empire? That is Chandragupta Maurya. Second, who was the Chandragupta Maurya's mentor? Chalukya. Next, who was the greatest ruler of Maurya Empire? Ashoka. Which battle changed the Ashoka's life? That is Kalinga War. What is the sacred book of Buddhism? That is Tripitaka. Next, who founded Buddhism? Gautam Buddha. See next question. Who founded Jainism? That is Rishabhnath, first Tirthankar. Next, who was the 24th Tirthankar? That is Mahavira. Next, which is the oldest Veda? Rig Veda. Next, how many Vedas are there? 4. Which civilization is the oldest? That is Indus Valley civilization. Next, which city is known as the Manchester of Harappa civilization? That is Mohenjo-daro. Harappa site is famous for dogs. That is Lothal. Which metal was unknown to Harappan? That is iron. Who invaded India in 326 BC? That is Alexander. Who wrote the Indica? That is Megasthenes. Next, which Gupta ruler was called the Vikramaditya? That is Chandragupta Dvitiya. Next, who wrote Abhijanashakuntalam? That is Kalidasa. Who discovered zero? That is Aryabhatta. Next, which dynasty built Ajanta caves? That is Vatakas. Next, who founded the Gupta Empire? That is Sri Gupta. Next, what was the capital of Magad? That is Pataliputra. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? That is Bodh Gaya. Where did Buddha give his first sermon? That is Saranatha. What was the script of the Ashoka inscription? That is Brahmi Lipi. Next, medieval history. Question number 26 to 50. See first one, who founded the Delhi Sultan? That is Qutbuddin Aibak. Next, who built the Qutbuddin Minar? That is Qutbuddin Aibak. Who completed the Qutub Minar? This is important to Iltutmish. Next, who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? That is Razia Sultan. Who introduced the token currency? That is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, who founded the Mughal Emperor? That is Babur. Which battle established Mughal rule? That is First Battle of Panipat 1526. Next, who wrote the Babarnama? Babur. Who wrote the Fatehpuri Sikri? That is Akbar. Next, who founded Dinya Ilahi? That is Akbar. Who built the Taj Mahal? That is Shah Jahan. Who was the also known as Jinda Pir? That is Aurangzeb. Who founded the Sikh religion? Guru Nanak. Who was the last Sikh Guru? Guru Gobind Singh. Next, which ruler built Vijay Stamba? That is Rana Kumbha. Next, who founded the Vijayanagar Empire? That is Hariharan Bukka. Important to know. What was the capital of the Vijayanagara? Hampi. Who was the greatest Vijayanagara ruler? That is Krishna Devaraya. Next, which traveler visited Vijayanagara? That is Nicoli Conti. Next, who founded the Brahmi kingdom? That is Alauddin Muhammad Shah. Who built Gol Gumbaz? That is Muhammad Adil Shah. Next, who introduced the Mansardari system? That is Akbar. Next, which Mughal ruler was called Prince of Builders? That is Shah Jahan. Next, who discovered the sea route to India? That is Vasco da Gama. Next, where did Vasco da Gama land? That is Calicut, 1498. The next one, modern history 51 to 100. Who founded the East India Company? That is British merchant 1600. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? That is Warren Hastings. Who introduced the subsidiary alliance? That is Lord Wellesley. Who introduced doctrine of lapse? That is Dalhousie, Lord Dalhousie. Next, when did revolt of 1857 begin? That is 1857. Who led the revolt in Kanpur? That is Nana Sahib. Who led the revolt in Jhansi? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Next, who was the last Mughal empire? That is Bahadur Shah II. Who founded the Indian National Congress? That is Evo Homo. In which year was INS founded? That is 1885. Who was the first president of INC? That is W.C. Banerjee. Who founded R.S. Samaja? Dayanand Saraswati. Who founded Ramakrishna Mission? That is Swami Vivekananda. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? That is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next, who founded the Home Rule League? That is Tilak and Annie Besant. Next, who wrote the Hind Swaraj? Mahatma Gandhi ji. In which year did Gandhi return to India? That is 1915. Where was the first Satyagraha launched? That is Champarana. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, when did Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? That is 1919. Next, who ordered the Jallianwala Bagh firing? That is General Dyer. Important to know. Who launched the non-cooperation movement? Mahatma Gandhi ji. When was the non-cooperation movement launched? That is 1920. What caused its withdrawal? That is Chauri Chaura incident. Who founded the Forward Bloc? That is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who gave the slogan "Give me blood, I will give you freedom"? That is Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, who founded the INA? Raj Behari Bose. Who recognized INA? That is Subhash Chandra Bose. When did the Dandi March begin? 1930. Who started civil disobedience movement? That is Mahatma Gandhi ji. Next, who signed the Pune Pact? That is, it is between Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, when was the Quit India movement launched? That is 1942. When was its slogan? Sorry, what was its slogan? That is Do or Die. Next, who was called the Iron Man of India? That is Sardar Patel. Who was the first PM of India? That is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first president? Rajendra Prasad. When did India gain independence? That is 15 August 1947. Who partitioned India and Pakistan? That is Sir Khalid Radcliffe. Next, when was the constitution adopted? 1949, 26 November. Next, constitution come into force 26 January 1950. See next, who was the chairman of the drafting committee? That is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was known as the Nightingale of India? That is Sarojini Naidu. Who founded the Aligarh movement? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next, who founded the Brahmo Samaj? That is Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next, who abolished Sati? That is Lord William Bentinck. Next, who founded the Gadar party? That is Lala Hardayal. See next question. Who was called the frontier Gandhi? That is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next, who designed the Indian national flag? That is Pingali Venkaiah. Next, who gave the slogan Jai Hind? That is Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, who was the India's first Governor General after independence? It is very important to Lord Mountbatten. Who was the first Indian Governor General? That is C. Rajagopalachari. Okay friends, in 10 minutes we learned 100 top 100 questions and answers. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.